Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see, it is pretty interesting. This is the drawing and the name is Light Fork. We start by creating 4 contours. The external one is radius 25, radius 12 and 100, and the other internal are these 3 with their dimensions. Let's start with this standard millimeters IPT, plane XY, circle with a radius 25, then another circle with a radius of 12 on the same horizontal, center and center, distance of 100, and now we apply a well-known procedure. Line. I keep pressed the left button when I am on the circle, and I have a tangent. You see, I try to catch the other tangent on the other circle, then the same here, tangent and tangent. Now we can apply trim here, but not here. Why? Because this arc is common with this, and if we apply cut here, we lose this because we have 2 cuts. So I start from this circle, I hover on the horizontal sloped line to obtain a parallel. I keep pressed the left button and I go somewhere here. Then I go to the circle trying to obtain also parallel with this, and tangent I cannot apply also tangent, but I use the constraint to obtain this. The 2 centers are on the same line, these 2. This radius is 7. Now I have to cut this and this. I move the dimension because I want to apply split, and I want you to see what I do here. You see, when you select on a circle 2 points, they are both checked. Here only one. Why, my friends? Why? Because a circle cannot miss 1 point. Only 1 point. Now it can, because it is not a circle, it is an arc. You understand me? Yes? Oh, I didn't apply here. Split here. Now I can select these 2 arcs to make them construction. You see? And I didn't lose this dimension. Dimension common to this arc. I apply fillet of 5 between these 2 entities and also here. Very nice. Then I create a new circle with the same center and the diameter of 36. You see in the drawing this circle. Now we have 10, 22 and 45 degrees, the data for creating a keyway. I select rectangle in 3 points, 1, 2, 3. Then I make coincident this midpoint with this center point. This is the center point of the model. Then I draw a horizontal line somewhere between these 2 points. I don't want to have a line without dimensions. This is also construction. Why? Because I want to apply 45 degrees between a horizontal and a side of this rectangle. 45. Then dimensions. This is 22 and this is 10. Very good. Now I apply split on this line. A line can have only one split. A circle doesn't. Again here I obtain another angle, but it is also okay. Then I apply split also to these 2 points, and I select now all these entities to make them construction. You see here 135, and I don't like this. I apply 45 degrees as it was before. Okay, this is the first sketch. Now I create the other sketch, this one, because I want to apply intersect between 2 solids, as you will see immediately. The plane for the new sketch is this one. I hide the previous sketch and I start drawing lines. Line, horizontal, sloped, horizontal. I go down, left, and somewhere. I apply fillets of 20 in these corners and 10 only in this corner. Good. Then I project the axis X. It is yellow. I make it construction. Then I apply mirror of all these lines about the axis. Apply. I connect these 2 ends with a line and the other 2 with an arc. I have a tangent. Now I apply tangency also here. It is applied because of the symmetry. Good. The angle is 30 degrees. 60 degrees, excuse me. 60 degrees. Parallel are this line with this line. Then parallel is also here. Then I start with applying dimension. This is 14. This is 25, the radius from the other sketch. Then I apply here 60. This is 8. And this is also 8. The radius is 10. The distance between this center and this center point is 75. Take a look here. Radius 20 has a center, and the center is placed at 75 from the center point. This is 75. Okay. And then this dimension is 100 plus 12. We have a fully constrained sketch. Yes. Good. Finish sketch. I make visible the other sketch. And now we have two sketches. Important is that this is on the same distance from the center point, both of them, and this with this are also placed on the center point. I can extend this line here, I can extend this line here without problems, because we apply intersect. But we start with extrude. Extrude this symmetrical to, I try to do this, to this end, plus the same face to the other end, to this. Now I select face this. Okay. Then I apply extrude for the other contour. You see the other contour. If I go up, you see better. If I make it symmetrical, you have a good vision about. But I don't use join, I don't use cut, I don't use new solid, I use intersect. And I also use all the way. Okay, now take a look what we have here. I forgot to place the circle. Yes, this was forgot. But we can apply simply here on this face, this center, a hole of 12 through both arms. Another dimension is radius 2 of every edge outside. Radius 2 is by default. I select faces and I obtain that fillets. Okay. Now I suppose I finished the part. Oh, here is forgotten. Again, I forgot to place fillet here. Double click on fillet and I select also this. Okay. Let's see what is the new volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, and I change here the actual dimension, as you can see. Then let's see what about our model. Is it the same with the original? This is the original, yes? Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click and paste. No, it is not. Let's see what is the problem. I made a research and I know what is wrong. It is wrong this sketch with one dimension needed. That dimension is this 8 millimeters thickness. I apply this dimension, which is not 8, and I hope we have the same volume like the original. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is this one. What you say? Nothing. It is exactly the same value. I make everything and I make mistakes, of course. Cancel. I don't change the former value. Now I go to material, which is aluminum, as you can see here, and the color is smooth orange, light orange. I hide the shade, the edges, and we have the result. This is the result. Let's compare to the other. Oh, I didn't place some faces to be modified. A, aluminum polished. Now they are the same, you see. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.